Slickplan's preview mode grants access to your projects for review and feedback to people outside your Slickplan organization. These external collaborators can comment on specific project elements without requiring adding them to your Slickplan account. To enable external commenting in preview mode, open the project's General settings, then switch to the Share Settings tab. Toggle Allow Comments in preview mode to enable feedback, or check View Only Comments if you want viewers to see comments without adding new ones. Please note, selecting the Read Only Commenting option limits external users from viewing only existing comments. They will be unable to add their feedback. Commenting on shared projects. Once a project is shared and commenting is enabled, external collaborators can access the project and provide feedback. Open the Shared Diagram project and click the comment icon in the top right corner. Non-logged-in users will be prompted to enter their name and email address. This ensures proper identification of their comments within the project. Your comment will be displayed on the dedicated comment board for centralized viewing. Commenting on site planning projects is similar. Open the project and click the comment icon on the toolbar. Enter your comment in the sidebar and hit Enter to post it. Commenting on specific project elements. External collaborators can also provide feedback on individual project components. Sitemap pages. Select the desired page and open its Properties panel. Switch to the Feedback tab within the sidebar to submit your comment. Content blocks. Open the shared page in preview mode. Scroll to find the content blocks. On the right side of each block, you'll see a comment icon. Click the icon to add a comment in the collaboration area. Site planning diagrams. Switch to the Diagram Maker section and open the desired diagram from the list on the left. Click the comment icon on the toolbar and then click anywhere on the diagram to post a floating comment. Design mockups. Switch to the Design section and select the desired mockup thumbnail. Click the comment icon on the toolbar and then click anywhere on the mockup to post a floating comment. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.